What's up, guys? Have you been thinking about getting one of these fifth wheel to gooseneck adapters? Well, I put one on. Everything that I use to put this on. Pipe wrench for these nuts right here to lock it down. 15/16 and that ratchet, and a T50 to lock down the well, you can't see it anymore, but the coupler on the inside. And then 15/16 the pipe wrench to get those. Easy. Do you have a fifth wheel hitch and you would rather it be a gooseneck hitch? Well, then I got the thing for you. This is our adapter. This is a nice little rod. Oh wow, that is heavy. Oh, look at that. So you'll get this collar right here with these little threaded inserts that locks up like that, and then you thread these in. I have a T50, which isn't what you're supposed to use, but I don't have the right Allen key right now, as of right now, because my tool set got stolen, but it'll work for what we need. And you just want to make sure that this is in there pretty good and all that. And then, so the collar's on, good to go. Tighten it down. Now we got this guy. So this guy has bolt holes right here, but don't let it confuse you. That's just if you want to like mount it to the actual piece. Don't really need to do that. So we got these holes, should be 4. We got those 4 right there. You can use those nuts to double nut them so that they don't come out. So there we go, there's that. Now we got these 2 holes here to secure that with those 2 bolts. These nuts are definitely, you do that and tighten them down like that. So let's get this tight and then see what we can do. There you have it. It's a pretty neat little contraption there. Spins it and pushes the balls in up under here so that it locks on. It's actually really easy. Wonder how much that'll rust up though. Anyway, not bad, easy installation. Well, thank you guys for watching. As always, stay tuned to Jaeger's Garage. We kind of do a little bit of everything here, so you never know what information you might need. Thanks, guys.